In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create outline text in Squarespace. This is a quick customization that can give your headings or display text a more distinctive, modern look. We'll be doing this by adding CSS inside Squarespace, which means you won't need to redesign your whole page manually. If you're following along, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace site and you're on the main dashboard. To begin, click on Website. This will take you into the area where your site structure, design settings, and page-related options are organized. If you're new to Squarespace, this section is where most visual and layout changes begin, so it's a good place to get familiar with. Once you're inside the website section, click on Pages. This opens the page management panel for your site. Even though we're not editing a specific page directly in this walkthrough, this path leads us to the settings area where custom styling options are available. From there, click on Custom Code. This is the area Squarespace provides for more advanced modifications, including code-based customizations. Don't worry if you're not a developer. This process is still very manageable, and you're simply placing code in the correct location. Next, click on Custom CSS. This is where you can add styling rules that affect the appearance of text, spacing, colors, and other visual elements across your site. CSS is especially useful when you want a look that isn't available through the standard design controls. Now paste the code into the custom CSS editor. This is the step that creates the outline text effect. Be sure to paste the code exactly as intended, because even a small typo can change how the styling works. Once the code is in place, Squarespace will usually preview the changes automatically, so you can see the effect right away. If the outline text doesn't appear exactly how you expected, double check that the code was copied cleanly and that it's targeting the correct text style or heading type. It's also a good idea to view the result on both desktop and mobile, since text effects can look slightly different depending on screen size. After that, your outline text style should be active on your Squarespace site. This is a simple but effective way to create stronger visual contrast and make certain text stand out more in your design. That's all there is to it. You've now added outline text in Squarespace using custom CSS, and you can continue refining the look directly from the same editor whenever needed.